Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use ashwagandha powder. This powerful adaptogen can easily be incorporated into your daily routine to support your well-being. Ashwagandha is known for its ability to help the body cope with stress, promoting a sense of calm and balance. It's a simple addition that can make a noticeable difference in how you feel each day, enhancing your natural resilience and energy. For an easy method, begin with a small dose, about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder each day. You can simply mix it into a glass of warm milk, water, or even a smoothie. Taking it with food can help with absorption and reduce any potential stomach discomfort. Consistency is more important than a large dose, so find a routine that works for you. You can take ashwagandha powder either in the morning to help manage daily stress, or in the evening to promote relaxation before sleep. The key to experiencing its benefits is consistent daily use over several weeks. Remember, individual responses vary, so listen to your body. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions. While generally well tolerated, some individuals might experience mild side effects such as drowsiness, an upset stomach, or diarrhea. It's important to avoid ashwagandha if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, as its effects in these situations are not well studied. Always prioritize your health and discontinue use if you experience adverse reactions. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.